Now tell me, honestly, how long have you been trying to learn English? 1 year? 2 years? Maybe 5? Yeah, me too, actually. And here's the thing that nobody wants to say out loud. Most people study English for years and still feel stuck. Still feel shy. Still feel like, why can't I just say it? Like, ugh, we've all been there. No way, right? That's frustrating. That's really, really frustrating. But here's what I found out. And honestly, it changed everything for me. The problem is not your brain. The problem is not your vocabulary. The problem is, nobody ever showed you the map. So today I'm giving you that map. The 4 stages of English fluency and a 90-day plan to move through them, step by step, day by day. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly where you are right now and exactly what to do next. No confusion, no guessing, just a clear, simple path forward. So, are you ready? Let's go. Hello! Welcome back to Mindfluent Path, the podcast where we make English simple, fun, and actually useful for your real life. I'm your host, Nadee. It's the one I wish someone had made for me when I was sitting in my room frustrated, wondering, why is everyone else improving and I'm still here? Maybe you feel that right now. Maybe you felt it before. Well, friend, today is the day that changes. So get comfortable. Grab your tea, your coffee, your snack, whatever makes you happy. And let's do this together. Okay, before we jump into the 4 stages, let's warm up the brain a little. Because just like going to the gym, you don't walk in and immediately lift the heaviest weight, right? No. That's how you hurt yourself. You stretch first, you warm up, then you lift. Learning English is the same. So here's your warm-up question, and I really want you to think about this. When you imagine yourself speaking English fluently, what does that look like? Are you at a job interview? On a trip? Talking to a new friend? Are you giving a presentation? Writing an email without Google Translate? Close your eyes for a second if you want. Just picture it. Got it? Good. Hold that image, because that is your destination, and today I'm giving you the roadmap to get there. Okay, stage 1. I call this the confused beginner. And please don't feel bad about this name, because honestly, every single fluent speaker started here. Every single one. Even me. Oh, especially me. So what does stage 1 look like? You understand some words. Maybe you studied in school. You know, hello, how are you? And I am fine, thank you. Yeah, you know that one. But the moment someone speaks fast or uses a new word, your brain goes totally blank, right? And that's okay. That's normal. That's stage 1. So what do you do in stage 1? Well, here's the secret. In stage 1, your only job is input. Input, input, input. What does input mean? It means consume English. Listen, read, watch. Not speak. Not yet. Just absorb. Here's what your first 21 days look like. Daily habit. Just 20 minutes. Listen to one simple English podcast or video. Pick something you actually enjoy. A show, cooking, travel, sports. If it's boring, you won't do it. And if you don't do it, well, you know. Read 5 sentences in English every day. Just 5. That's it. Children's books, simple articles, easy news, whatever you like. Here's the magic part. Don't try to understand everything. Just let the language wash over you, like music, like rain. You're not studying, you're soaking. Can you do 20 minutes a day for 21 days? I know you can. Okay, you made it to stage 2. Let's celebrate that for a second. Stage 2 is what I call the copycat learner. And I say that with full love, okay? Because copying is actually genius. Think about babies. How do babies learn to talk? They copy. They repeat. Mama. Dada. No. Always no. That's exactly what you're doing now. So in stage 2, you start to speak, but not by making things up, by repeating what you hear. Here's your 3-part daily habit for days 22 to 45. 1. Shadowing. 10 minutes a day. Find a short clip, a YouTube video, a podcast, even a movie scene. Listen once, then play it again, and repeat out loud at the same time. Don't worry if you sound funny. You will sound funny. That's part of it. The goal is to feel the rhythm of English in your mouth, the way sentences rise and fall, the way words connect. 2. Copy a sentence. Change one word. For example, you hear, I really love this song. You say, I really love this movie. Then, I really love this city. See? You're building, you're creating, but you have a safe structure to hold on to. 3. Talk to yourself. Okay, I know this sounds a little bit crazy, but it works. It really works. While you're making breakfast, while you're on the bus, just narrate what you're doing, in English. I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. I am happy. Simple, silly, but powerful. Oh, stage 3. This is where it starts to feel different. I remember when I hit this stage, it was like, how do I describe it? You know when you're riding a bike and suddenly you stop wobbling? That moment when it just clicks? That's stage 3. I call it the connector. Because now, you stop thinking in your first language and translating. You start connecting English directly to meaning, directly to feeling. And here's how you build that in days 46 to 70. 1. Find a speaking partner or a community. This can be online, a language exchange app, a Discord group, a friend who's also learning, even a journal where you write and read back to yourself. Speaking to a real person, even once a week, changes everything. Because now there's a reason to speak. Now there's a human on the other side. 2. Learn phrases, not just words. Most learners learn individual words: happy, sad, want. But fluent speakers think in chunks. I'm really happy about that. That makes me so sad, honestly. I just really want to get better at this. See the difference? Words are like individual puzzle pieces. Phrases are like sections that already fit together. So collect phrases, write them down, use them, repeat them, own them. 3. Make mistakes out loud, on purpose. This one is really important, and it's the one most people skip. If you wait until you're perfect to speak, you will never speak. Perfection is the enemy of fluency. Say that with me. Perfection is the enemy of fluency. Mistakes are how you learn. Every mistake is information. Every mistake is progress. So make them proudly, make them loudly, and keep going. And finally, stage 4. The flow state. This is what you've been working toward. This is the moment when English stops feeling like a foreign language and starts feeling like yours. You don't translate anymore. You think in English. You dream in English. Yes, I know, it sounds wild, but it happens. I promise you, it happens. What does your daily practice look like in days 71 to 90? 1. Think out loud. every day. When you wake up, don't check your phone first. Just lie there for 2 minutes and think in English. Today I feel kind of tired, but I'm excited because it sounds so small, but those 2 minutes, they rewire your brain. 2. Consume content without subtitles. Oh, I know, this is scary. But now, you're ready. Take a video you already know, something easy, turn off the subtitles, and just listen. You'll understand more than you think. Way more than you think. 3. Teach something in English. Explain something you know in English. Cook a recipe and narrate it. Explain your job. Explain your hobby. Explain your favorite movie to an imaginary friend. When you can teach in English, you have owned that language. And that, my friend, is fluency. Okay, so now I want to give you the pro tip, the hard mode. This is for the ones who want to go faster, the overachievers. You know who you are. Here's the secret that advanced English learners use. It's called the immersion day. Once a week, pick one full day. And for that one day, everything in your life happens in English. Your phone is in English. Your music is in English. When you talk to yourself, English. When you journal, English. When you Google something, English. Just one day a week. And I promise you, after just 4 of those days, you will feel a shift that 6 months of normal studying won't give you. That's the secret. Immersion isn't just for people who live in English-speaking countries. You can create your own immersion, right where you are, starting this week. Okay, my friend. Let's bring it home. So, we talked about the 4 stages. Stage 1, the confused beginner, days 1 to 21. Just listen, just absorb, just soak. Stage 2, the copycat learner, days 22 to 45. Shadow, repeat, talk to yourself. Stage 3, the connector, days 46 to 70. Find your people, learn phrases, make mistakes proudly. Stage 4, the flow state, days 71 to 90. Think in English, drop the subtitles, teach what you know. And the pro tip? 1 immersion day per week, just 1. Now, I need to say something important. You showed up today. You listened. You thought about your goals. That is not small. That is huge. Because most people, they never start. Or they start and quit. But you're still here. And that says everything about you. I am so proud of you. Even if we've never met, I genuinely mean that. You're on this path. And the path is already working. So here's what I need you to do right now. 1. Subscribe to Mindfluent Path, because every week we have new episodes just like this one, simple, practical, and made just for you. 2. Share this episode with one friend who is also learning English. Maybe they need this roadmap too. 3. Leave a comment right now and tell me, which stage are you in? 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe you're somewhere in between? I read every single comment, every single one. I'm a little obsessed, I won't lie. And I will see you in the very next episode. Until then, keep going, keep practicing, keep moving forward. Because your fluency, it's not a dream anymore. It's a 90-day plan. And day 1 starts right now. Take care of yourself. I'm Nadee, and this is Mindfluent Path.